Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're taking a look at Pipedrive, found at https://www.pipedrive.com, a popular customer relationship management (CRM) platform. Pipedrive helps businesses of all sizes manage their sales processes, track leads, and ultimately, close more deals. It offers a clean and intuitive interface designed to simplify complex sales workflows. From initial contact to contract signing, Pipedrive allows you to visualize your sales pipeline and stay organized every step of the way. A key feature of Pipedrive is its highly customizable nature. You can tailor the platform to your specific business needs, creating custom fields, stages, and reports. This level of flexibility makes it adaptable to various sales methodologies and industries. Pipedrive also offers powerful automation features, helping you streamline repetitive tasks and free up valuable time. Automating tasks like email follow-ups and lead qualification can significantly boost your team's efficiency. Furthermore, Pipedrive integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other business tools, from email marketing platforms to accounting software. This interconnectedness ensures a smooth flow of information across your entire organization and eliminates the need for manual data entry. The platform also offers robust reporting and analytics capabilities, providing valuable insights into your sales performance. By tracking key metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions to optimize your sales strategy. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Pipedrive offers the tools and features you need to manage your sales pipeline effectively. Its intuitive design, customization options, and powerful integrations make it a valuable asset for any sales team looking to boost productivity and close more deals.